Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is
Shruti
from Bangalore.
Yup. Guess where we at? It's Kerala, bro. Varkala.
Hello. Oh, I look like a ghost.
Do we have? No, bro. I don't want to pin my hair.
Okay, don't pin. I'll also not pin my hair.
Yes.
Happy?
Yes.
No, కొంచెం ఇట్రా.
నా కాల్ కవర్ చేస్తాను.
జాగ్రత్త. ఇవి కదిలి బాబు. అది బాగుంది. Yeah. You need to put your leg down. This will go on YouTube. Put this. Stretch this.
This one.
Yeah. This is fine.
Hello, vanakkam. First time here. Take care of me, please. Little bit negative comments.
We
No,
should
thank
say
you.
hey guys. We are in
Varkala, Kerala.
and we are in this pretty hostel, girls hostel,
Yep.
called as
House of Surf. You forgot the name, didn't you?
I was like surf and then I was like what? So today we are here and we went for kayaking and sunset and swimming and we came back. And then we were all too tired to go and eat, except for two people. So they both went to get our food.
They went to get takeout.
Yeah. And one is sleeping.
Already.
Yeah.
Already.
So here we are.
Passing
Engaging you.
time.
Engaging you guys in conversation.
Yup.
So Shruti. Wait, let's have a mic. So Shruti, how has your life been till now? That'll go on YouTube. So be mindful of what you're speaking.
I would like questions that are not this wide.
Oh. So she has an issue. E-clipper. Do you have a clip?
My
Okay.
clip is there. I'm not getting it.
I'll just say this or this, and then she'll be like, "Listen, Shreya, for this," and it'll go on for 20 minutes. For this, and this will go on for 20 minutes, and still she will not decide. Okay, I will be deciding. I'll be
There
like,
are
"You shut up."
pros and cons for everything. So I'm giving you the perspective so that you can choose which pros you want and which cons you are ready to accept. You know.
For example, gobi 65 and Manchuria. I'll say gobi 65. I already decided. This girl will be like Shreya. Manchuria. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Gobi 65. Ta-ta-ta-ta. I know. I chose gobi 65. Yeah, gobi 65. Still, she wants to eat Manchuria, but she'll not say that.
Okay, your example here is wrong. Gobi 65
What is-
and Manchurian are basically the same thing. Idaina, adaina, oil untadi, Chinese adi.
So you understand what I mean by ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. This is ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Anyway, so today we went out and we are all, oh my god, look at my leg. I
Saxa.
need to put my, bro, my skin is peeling off.
Saxa.
Sexa who? Sexa?
Sexy.
Even skin with this.
Appa, atiyak.
Hey, pove.
Cream rasko. Cream
It's not
rasko.
cream, ra. It's skin that already got cut.
You know, you still shouldn't be peeling it. Just like the
I'm not sensitive to pain like you're sleep. Okay, guys. So the only topic where we both will not end up in a big debate usually is related to books.
Other than that, we have vastly different opinions of life and our lifestyle.
Way too vast, to be honest. But one thing is that we really like this dom. Both of us
Yes,
can say
agree with that.
See, she agreed without the ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. So yeah.
Arre, there was bro. There was a little ta-ta-ta-ta in my head. I just didn't say it.
Okay, just keep it to yourself. You agreed with me, so we stick to
Arre,
that.
do
Okay?
male. Guys, I have recently.
No, I'll tell. I will tell. So, before coming to Varkala, we went to this place called as Kochi. And there, so what happened was, we booked all our flight tickets. We booked all our What else? All our stays.
Yeah.
That's it. We didn't do anything else. And then
Live
3
life
weeks.
as it goes, bro.
Three-
Impromptu.
Too much improv. 3 weeks before the trip, we decided that we'll be doing kayaking, surfing, and stuff. So we booked that. So now we have no idea what we would do in Kochi.
Kochi.
And then we get down in Kochi, and then we are like, so let's just rent a bike. And we rented a bike.
Let's ride a bike.
And then we took an auto to go and
boating.
to go boating. I have to put in petrol.
Yes. Advance given. The half amount given. Petrol is also our money, separate. Not the advance, not nothing. Our money we put. And then we parked it at the metro and took an auto. The attraction in Kochi is the water metro, okay?
Yeah.
That is something that we wanted to do. So we thought we'll keep the bikes there, take the metro and go to some other terminal where we will look into the boating thing. But then this random uncle, no, Chetta.
Cheta.
Uh-huh.
Cheta only. Cheta.
Cheta.
Cheta. Cheta.
Chetta.
Oh.
Did we wake you?
Are you okay? What happened?
To everybody who was scared by our earlier reaction, false alarm, you guys. That girl's completely fine.
Yes, she's fine. She just woke up from sleep and then,
She slept on her hand and that was hurting.
yeah. But now she went back to sleep. So that's fine. What were we talking about? And the other thing is, we both don't remember what we talk about. So, anyway, maybe the discussion got ended over there.
We'll just assume that it is.
No, we were talking about imprompts in Kochi. We took the auto for the backwaters.
Yeah.
And then
So we were supposed and Cheta. Cheta.
Cheta, yes.
Are she woke up and we should have asked her.
Shut up. Cheta, yes. So Cheta means Anna or uncle in Malayalam.
Yeah.
So we just call everyone Cheta and
yeah.
Chechi.
Cheta Chechi.
Continue.
So one random auto Cheta comes up with the brochure for the boating thing. And he's like, we will show you this, we'll make you do this, it'll be full amaze, full, it'll be come. He's like 3K. So we like, little bit, bargain we did. And he's like, fine, 2.5. We were still like little bit, and that man was looking up and down. We're like, okay, fine. 2.5 sounds reasonable only, we went. After going there, we realized that little bit scam happened. 2.5 we thought that it would include the auto ride to the boating area, but it did not. The auto ride cost us another 300. So little bit disappointment happened there. But the boating thing was good. It was good. But the point that we're trying to make is that it was so impromptu. Like one Cheta came and he's like, come, I'll take you.
No.
And we went.
He was like, come, sit in the auto. We sat. He was like, I'll take you. We're like, go.
Like, okay. Like, we didn't even know where we're going. We're like, okay, take us. After halfway, we realized we don't know where we're going, and then we scanned the brochure. And
No, we didn't even know that we had to scan the brochure for the address. And then we were like, Cheta, where are we going? And then he goes, you can scan there. And we're like, okay, cool.
Okay.
Yeah, so we went there.
Mm.
And then we came back and then we were like, we have scooties and with petrol. Now we don't know what else to do. So we took the scooties and we drove 18 kilometers. And we reach a museum, and the ticket counter was gonna close at 4 because museum closes at 4:30. And we reached at 3:59. And we got the tickets. Then we went. We had to run all the way up because there were so many stairs.
Yeah, bro. What is up with that?
I know.
Palace on the steps.
Palace had to get the steps.
What, man? What about common man?
Common man only needs to walk now.
Then what about those Maharaja people, man?
They will be carried in those
Palkis.
Yes. So we went up and then we were like looking at things. Of course, we do look at things.
That is what you do in the museum, bro.
Yeah. And then we were looking, and then it's like we are in this room, we are looking here, and then we go into the next room, and then the watchman comes and then she like locks the door. And we're like, what is happening? She's like, it's closing to whichever room we go in, from behind she's like closing all the doors. And then she's like, it's time up. And we were the last people.
Yeah.
The best part of this trip is that we're either the first people to arrive over there
Or the
or
last
we're the last people.
No in between.
We have nothing called as the in between.
In the museum, at one point, one of our friends was left behind. We were in the next room. She was in the back room. She was still looking at things. The museum person comes and she starts locking, and then our friend comes and I'm still here. And she comes with us.
It was so funny.
But we clicked a lot of nice pictures. That
Yeah.
place has nice.
Aesthetics.
Yeah.
And then after that, we went to the beach.
Yep.
Right.
We went to the beach.
We got so sweaty, so
It
irritating.
was hot.
We
It
had
was
mango
hot.
and corn.
Or
Ah? Dora. Usna. So our other friends came with food. We'll get back to you
later. Bye bye.